Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change your AC filter, also known as cabin filter. So let's get right into it. So first up, you open the glove box. Nextly, there are two pins holding it right here and here. You just pop it out like so, and this one got it just clicked in like that, and you can see that's the compartment holding the AC filter. There are two clips holding it in, so we just push the side which says up, just press it and take it out. That's the AC filter, also known as cabin filter. Just pop it out like so. Out comes the filter. You can see how bad the filter is. It's pretty much clogged. This car has been having any issue regarding the AC for months now, and I guess this is the reason. It has been smelling very bad and bad odors have been coming out of the AC. So this filter can cause all those issues. So let's change that right now. So this is my new cabin filter. I purchased it from the parts store. It's not original but it works. So let's change that. You can understand the dirt and debris in this one by just comparing itself with the new one. So let's throw this one out and change the other one. So let's just put the filter inside. This side says airflow and it arrows upside, so it means that the filter should be placed like this. And we'll put the cover as so. Just clicks right in and we are set, and we'll just pop the glove box inside. And there you have it. We just changed the cabin filter of a Toyota Corolla 2012 model.